rallies. Usually chock full of many interesting experiences on the open road. Harrowing back to the days of the original Cannonball, with Brock Yates and Dan Gurney piloting that famous Sunoco Blue Ferrari across the United States in just over 35 hours. Today, we are participating in the 2014 Targa Trophy. This is Chad. We are at Chad's 2008 Audi R8. It's seeming fitting that we start from Lamborghini Newport Beach to the Cosmopolitan Hotel in Las Vegas. We'll be filming, so follow along and see how we do in our adventures today. Gated shifter is seriously one of the best. This and the NSX, the best shifters you can get in any car. I absolutely love gated shifter.
Took a little getting used to for me.
It takes a little time to get adjusted to it.
But it's
You got to be just that bit precise with it. It's just that little bit. Make sure you're good. Like it's a much better feel. It's just that mechanicalness. It's like it feels like it's that bolt action rifle.
Yeah.
That click, click, click. It's just really fun.
I like the way you describe that. I think that's right on the money. Bolt action
rifle. It's definitely that. That's a cannon. Back there, that's a cannon. One thing that I've realized with road rallies, you got a lot of people want to weave and duck and maneuver their way through traffic. There's driving quickly, there's driving aggressively, and there's driving like a fucking asshole. That's the one that gets the cops called on you. If you just drive quickly and give people room, signal, even though you don't like signaling at speed, signaling is key.